Welcome to week 1 of Writing 227. Beth Adelot again, your instructor, and this is the week we get to know each other, get to see who's in the class. 3 deadlines for you, as always, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. The deadlines on Wednesday and Friday are forum postings, as they will always be. Just class introductions, get to know who's in the class. You might know somebody. I'm asking you to tell me if you have a major, what your major is, what your program is. You might see some people in the same program as you, make some connections. That's always good. Then the writing assignment for Sunday, as always, we have a written assignment every Sunday night due. It's twofold. It's for me to get to know you so that we can begin our discussions that will continue for the next 11 weeks on how to improve your writing, what you yourself need for your plans in life. And I'm asking first for a personal narrative. I've asked you a couple of questions. Things I'm interested in knowing about your writing background, what you think about writing, what your program is, what your goals are. And then I'm asking for a resume. This is a technical writing course, after all, writing on the workplace, so we got to get you there to the workplace. Whether or not you have a resume already, whether or not you've ever written one before, it's always good to have one up to date that you have on hand to use for scholarships and for job applications, of course. Short, brief. I've given you plenty of instructions up here under the resources on how to do it. But it's always good to have one in hand. You never know when you'll need it. Just update it for the job. Anyway, any kind of questions, let me know. I'd be glad to help you. And notice also I've got an office hour on Wednesday, but I'm always available, mostly available, for Zoom calls or phone calls, emails for sure. I will talk to you later.